Welcome to our video analysis on buying property in Sharm El Sheikh, a city on the southeastern coast of the Sinai Peninsula in Egypt. Are you wondering if it's worth it to invest in this serene touristic hub? Today, we'll delve into the key features, pricing, ideal use cases, as well as the pros and cons of buying property in Sharm El Sheikh. Let's get started. Sharm El Sheikh is a city known for its clear waters, sandy beaches, and vibrant nightlife. It's a prime location for those seeking a holiday home or investment property. Key features include stunning sea views, proximity to entertainment venues, and a diverse selection of properties ranging from luxury villas to affordable apartments. Plus, the city offers a warm climate year-round, perfect for those seeking sunshine and warmth. When it comes to pricing, properties in Sharm El Sheikh can be surprisingly affordable. A standard two-bedroom apartment can range from $30,000 to $60,000 USD, while a luxury villa can cost upwards of $250,000. The cost varies depending on the property's location, size, and amenities. It's essential to consider your budget and goals when deciding on a property. Remember, real estate is a long-term investment. Buying property in Sharm El Sheikh is ideal for different use cases. If you're a retiree looking for a peaceful seaside home, this city could be your paradise. For the entrepreneurs, it offers investment opportunities in the tourism sector. You could rent out your property to tourists or even operate a B&B. And let's not forget those looking for a holiday home. Sharm El Sheikh's attractive climate and vibrant culture make it an excellent choice. There are numerous advantages to owning property in Sharm El Sheikh. The city offers high rental yields due to its thriving tourism sector. Plus, the cost of living is relatively low compared to other touristic cities. The city is also safe and secure with a low crime rate. Lastly, the government's favorable policies for foreign property owners make it even more appealing for investment. However, there are a few disadvantages to consider as well. The city's economy heavily relies on tourism, which can be volatile due to external factors like global pandemics or political instability. Additionally, the language barrier can be challenging for some foreign investors, and you might encounter bureaucratic hurdles when buying property. Also, the city's remote location might not be ideal for everyone. Key takeaways: Sharm El Sheikh offers affordable properties with high rental yields, making it an excellent investment opportunity. It's perfect for retirees, investors, and those seeking a holiday home. However, the city's reliance on tourism and potential language barriers could pose challenges. So, is it worth it? Well, if you're looking for a cost-effective investment in a beautiful location, Sharm El Sheikh could be a great choice. That wraps up our analysis on buying property in Sharm El Sheikh. We hope that this video has given you a clearer picture of what to expect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.